Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss the index level for coming week. Let's analyze the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank chart for the coming week and all about the stock market in one video. So to know the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index weekly update and stock market news and yes, stock and news update. So let's get started with the stock market update. As you all know, the stock market where it is heading. So we'll discuss all about in this chart, Nifty 50 chart. But before that, let me tell you that market, I mean Nifty 50 is still looking not that positive, and actually it is a good fall happened till now. Earlier it was 11% and now it is recovered a little bit, but again it has reached to the almost same level. I can say almost near about the last swing low. So what was the reason is, yes, this is the Christmas vacation, Christmas holiday going on, and I already discussed in last video that in this time the FIIs go to their vacation and they sell off almost their investment, and they go on vacation for these 2-3 weeks. And yes, FII is heavy selling is reason, and the reason that one more reason that the crude oil is also a little bit going high. And yes, uh, Indian currency INR is trading at its means all-time low. It's trading at its low level. It is around 85 point something, 85 point plus against the US dollar, which is also a little bit concerned for the stock market. And yes, 2-3 reason I discussed, and Q3 earning is going to start in January second week, and this is also in news all over in news that the Q3 is also not going to be that good. This may affect the stock market, Indian stock market in next quarter, means in January February. Also one more reason is that the budget sentiment always affect the stock market. So all these things, it's not showing uh, that positive scenario. And we can, but all that is for month prediction. We can discuss this in next weeks also, next month also. But this week I will discuss the short term level, as the in market is nothing big happening. That reason I told, just discussed these 4-5 reasons, just I just mentioned all the reason for the consolidation, for the sideways move, or we can say the fall in Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, also even in whole stock market, Indian stock market. So let's go first and discuss in the chart so that you can understand the whole scenario, whole chart nicely, and you will also read the chart. So see here, so look at here that I have drawn these lines, which is very important for the level, for the support and resistance, and actually levels. And I will discuss analyze the last week chart, what happened in last week. The whole last week, you can see here, the whole last week the Nifty 50 one day, this was 20th December. This day it was a big fall, and even Nifty 50 broken its 200 EMA also, even it closed below that also, and that was very negative candle. Okay, and I actually gave the level last time, this which was 23,350 around, but it did not touch that. From here it is continuously taking the support of the 200 EMA. You can see how technically chart works. See how beautifully it is taking support here. 1 2 3, even 3 days continuously it has taken a very good support at 200 EMA, which was actually 23,700 around. 650 to 700, I will take the round figure. This is 23,700. It has taken a very good support, but yes, not very good movement in Nifty 50. It was just consolidating for these 3 days. This day it has fallen badly, and then from here it was consolidating. And here on Friday, which was 27 December, it was not good. It shown actually a little bit movement, but from here the selling came, and the whole the buying went to the selling. And here you can see the market close at its open level. You can see the open level was the 23,800, and even close at the almost same point. It is 23,830. So from here it went up, but could not sustain here, and went down again at the close at the same point. But yet it is good that it has not touched this 200 EMA on this day, but still it is not looking at all positive. So it is not looking positive, I can say. And this was the whole scenario of the last week. So 1 2 3 4 5 days it was happening this. So this we can say this a big candle. It is actually from here 24,100 around to 20 support. We can say 23,500 around. It is a big candle. We can say it is inside bar, and this should be broken either upper side or lower side. I don't know which side, but yet it should be broken for the new movement, new trend. So here we can see this candle is very important. And yes, is of course it has taken the support here, but still it is not actually that good looking. Not it is going beyond anywhere, because this resistance again, it will be a very crucial resistance here. 24,100 to 150, around 24,150. It has Nifty 50 has to break this 24,150, then only it can go to this level, which is actually 24,850 around, which looks like in this week or coming 2 3 weeks, it is looking very very means uh, actually tough for the Nifty 50 to reach there and to break this level. If it's breaking this level, that means of course Nifty 50 is in uptrend, it is in positive trend. So I'm not jumping in this level now, because it is looking little bit concerned for the Nifty 50, as the reason I discussed just now, that FI is selling the Christmas vacation, and the Indian rupees at an all-time low, and the crude oil, and all these reason I am not. And the Q3 result, yes, as Q2 result was not actually was not that good. It was not satisfactory. And when in Q3 it is actually looking, it is in news that the Q3 is also not going to be that good. It is also going to disappoint the market and the budget. So still I am looking this level for next month. Let's see what Nifty 50 do. But I this level is little bit actually tough for the Nifty 50 to break. And downside, I can see this 200 EMA looking very good support, but still if it's breaking this candle's low point, low swing is very important, which is 23,500. 23,500 is a very very crucial support. It should not be actually broken. So I guess you might be getting all the things I am discussing, to read the chart and to read the candles and these indicators like this 20 EMA and this whole जो मैंने ये लाइन ये जो एक zone, yeah, this resistance zone I have drawn. You should actually understand that this zone is very important from here, from 24,000, जो कि अभी भी निफ्टी 50 हैज नॉट टच्ड इवन. तो 24,000 to 24,150 around is the resistance zone for the nifty 50. So this zone is very important and there is two level, and two level के बीच में जो ये zone को nifty 50 needs to break it. Support में yes, 23,500 will come, but still I am looking for this support first, then after breaking this it will go to 23,400 500. So overall, if we predict for the next week, we can say that nifty 50 trading zone can be support 23,500 to resistance 24,000 and then 24,150. So this is the actually trading zone 23,500 to 24,150. But before that, 24,000 needs to be broken by the nifty 50. So this was the overall the nifty 50 prediction for the next week. Now let's go to the nifty bank, see what's happening here. Here I also have drawn these two trading level for the nifty bank, and this can be a very good zone where nifty 50 bank nifty bank is consolidating. So you can see here also nifty bank last week, the same day, which was 28th December, even I just discussed for the nifty 50 also. This was there also, it was a big candle, and here also it is a big candle where it has touched the low of the 50,600. 50,600 was the low on this day, and after that the nifty bank also consolidating in this zone. You can see here this was a very good consolidation zone for the nifty bank. But yes, 200 EMA, it is looking still it is looking a very good support for the nifty bank, where it has not still touched the 200 EMA. But here you can see many times, you can see here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 means whole last week it has not broken this resistance, which was 51,700. So still it is 51,700 or 800, we can say. You can see the high of this 51,700. Yes, 51,700 around here. The good resistance is actually looking here for the nifty bank. Many times for the whole week it has taken resistance here, but breaking this level again, it will face a resistance here at 20 EMA, which is 52,100. 52,100 will be again a very crucial resistance, and even after that this level. So this is the final resistance which actually nifty bank has to break for going in uptrend. यहाँ पे तो ये it will almost reach around the all time high, but this is also looking very far as the budget is concerned and the FII selling is concerned, and all overall Q3 is Q3 concerned. So this is looking little far, but yes, this level, this resistance is still intact, and it is looking tough for nifty bank to break it coming 2-3 weeks. I'm talking about short term only. This is not any long term idea, so I'm talking short term, as I'm talking about some weeks only. So here it is still the good resistance 52,500. You can say 52,550 also. So 52,550. Okay, So 52,550 will be a final resistance, but as I am in detail video, I'm telling all the levels, but in final I will tell the only final level, final support resistance. So these all these level, you should be mindful with other levels also. This 52,100 level, and even before that you can say 51,700. ये ये दो लेवल भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, which you have to actually keep in your mind, these two level also. In support pay, yes, this looks very strong support, 50,500 for the Nifty Bank. So, according to the last week analysis of this Nifty Bank chart, we can predict that the Nifty Bank trading zone can be support 50,500, and yes, resistance 52,550 only after breaking this 52,100. Okay, so I hope you got all the levels and all the support and resistance I discussed in detail. So you should be mindful with the level. All in all, I can say in conclusion that stock market is still looking negative, not looking that positive. It has not come in uptrend, and it will come in uptrend only after breaking 25,850, as I am talking about Nifty 50. So this is looking little tough for Nifty or stock market to come in uptrend in coming some weeks, for some week, or for coming month, next month. The level I will repeat again for the Nifty 50, 23,500 is a support, and 24,150 resistance, and Nifty Bank trading zone support 50,500 and resistance 52,550 only after breaking 52,100. So this is it, and I will come again with the new levels, new update of the stock market and stock market news, stock in news, and Nifty update, and other sectors update also, and all about the stock market in one video. And like and share the video for the others also, and yes, stay connected to the channel for regular index levels update and stock market news update, and all about the stock market. And yes, my best wishes for you all for the wealth creation in 2025, and wish you all a very happy new year 2025, my friends. Enjoy the new year. Signing off.